Beauties, Waah Gwaan, what's poppin'? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. This is the 12th video of my nailmas series. I'm not going to talk about it at this point. I'll just go at my own pace. So what I'm doing right here is that I'm doing all my tips as per usual, because you know this is my intro to any video that I'll be doing. So yeah, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. If you like my nail series, ensure that you subscribe, because content will be coming like almost every day, so you don't want to miss out. And follow me on my social medias at BareBeauty Services. No, it's not BareBeauty. TikTok and Instagram at BareBeauty Services. So if you hear any, noises in my background, I want to apologize in advance, because the day that I select to record is the day that people choose to do stuff. It always gets on my nerves. I don't know why people always don't, respect me. But anyways, guys, I'll be applying these tips as I said before, and when I'm done with that, I'm going to cut off the numbers. I don't think I showed this part in the video, but I did. So, and I also shaped. So now I'm going in with white, because I'll be creating an ombre glass effect. This is the closest that I can get to a white Christmas or icy Christmas or something of that sort, or the white Christmas is white Christmas. This is the closest that I can get on the nails, because I live in the tropics, you may know. So there's no white Christmas for me besides sun and sun and beach and them stuff there. So I'll be applying the white to the near to the cuticle area and pulling that down in an ombre effect, because as I said before, it will be an ombre glass nail. So I'll be doing it to all the nails besides the ring finger, because I wanted it to be a different texture. There's going to be some switching up and changing. This video was also a testing out type of video, because it never worked. If you want to see what happened, just ensure that you're stayed tuned. So to create the icy effect, I'll be going in with some crushed foil. I saw this method on V Nails, V Nailed It or something like that. V Nailed It channel, and I was like, oh, that's just an idea. But the only difference is that she applied the acrylic under the nail and did that. I was like, I wonder how it would look if I created the texture, on top of the nail and encapsulate it, but you already know how that went. So you'll see me applying the clear, and then I go in with the crushed foil, just adding texture to this nail. I'll go over ensuring that it looks, as crystal and icy as possible, and I will repeat the same thing on each of the nails. moving on, I'll be going in an eyeshadow palette that I have sitting around, and I wanted a hue of gray and an icy type of blue on the nails to give it a little bit more life. But you already know, I don't want to disappoint. Watch the video and let me know what you guys think about it, because at the end of the day, I really did solve the issue. So what I do, I dip my fingers in the eyeshadow and just go over the nails, so the texture is just creating a nice, you know, effect. So that was good. So I was really liking that part, honestly. So I applied the shadow on each of these nails. It really did look good. I think I should have just left it at that point, but you know, and we have to encapsulate for it to look somewhat better. So now I'm going in with mylar glitters, because you know I can't leave with the mylar glitters. So what actually happened at this part is that once liquid was added, or product was added to the eyeshadow area, the eyeshadow will start moving. Like, it moved. I was like, oh no, this is not such a good idea. So I don't know. I was like, alright, probably it's just mind over matter. It's just a me thing. I did it to all the rest of the nails, and I was like waiting to see if when I encapsulate, if it will still be seeing it still be showing. So I left it encapsulate, and I'll file off camera.
On the beat.
So these are the nails before and then after. So I was brainstorming with whether or not, if I wanted to, you know, just post the video just like it is, without actually saying, you know, the theme of the nail or the title. So I was like, alright, I need to come up with another alternative. I'm going to top coat these nails and cure them, and then I'm going to go under them and put the plastic wrap and, you know, create that effect under there. And it actually did work. It did work. What I was trying to run from, you know, to not get product under the nail. I didn't want product under the nail, but it ended up that I had to put the product on the nail to get the effect that I wanted. It was fun, but it was a little time consuming. I thought the nails were gorgeous. So if you think that it was gorgeous, just, you know, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, you know how you do. And that's it. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add some the texture underneath the nail to get that that glass, that's ice effect, and then I will bling out the ring finger with some diamonds. So just before I go, I want to say that the Swarovskis and the diamonds are completely different stones, and I completely like the Swarovskis better than I actually like the diamonds. It don't give any oomph to the nail. So this part was a little bit a turn off because it did not look that great. I think I should have gone with the Swarovskis instead of the regular diamonds. But anyways, that's something small. So I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tune in into my next video, which is tomorrow or later today. So yeah, I'll be coming very consistent with my posting very regularly. So subscribe, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok at BareBeauty Services, and remember to tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload almost every day. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
Chris Hayes on the beat.